Now my two gallant men, Sante Kwakua Sante Yeboa and Yaw Buama Bright. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
And how are you? Just a meme cabra for Namukachi.
Translate.
And I'm going to share what a status now. Madam for nurse in patients. When you be beyond Fancoto, the status is a near man now church and much, you know, as Auntie Bois, one fee, one, and I'm saying, hey, Yabba out and you
last week, or near Mounihano. I mean, champion, another man, Shamma.
And
I weigh one fee, one way one Habamu, and a Usiomu, and I want then show the old Busami I can catch though.
I'm over the
soon my pampas, you now, Mugori. Oh, and let's hit the grounds round. The 24-hour economic policy, the Volta Economic Corridor aims to revive Kwame Nkrumah's vision. Let's hear it this morning. Yente de Koso.
Famous Volta Economic Corridor we're talking about. That is our flagship anchor. While the 24-hour plus program is national in scope, our flagship intervention is the Volta Economic Corridor, a transformational effort to unlock the economic and environmental potential of the Volta Lake and its surrounding lands. Ladies and gentlemen, our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, envisioned the Volta project at Akosombo not only as a source of power to power Ghana's industrial sector, he also saw it as an integrated project that will provide agribusiness, it will provide lands for agriculture, irrigation. Unfortunately, that aspect of his vision have been lost. Today, we're recreating Kwame Nkrumah's dream. Today, Osajifo, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's dream comes alive again. We will irrigate over 2 million hectares of land for intensive agriculture under Grow 24.
See, Volta Lake, Voltarians are. Kwame Nkrumah, the Niswadi who be by, say, Enko Yan Kaniankwa, Nebom, a Juma Bekoso or Honomo, and no. And welcome wasem. Obapeni John Mama say private sector. Mona mubedi 24-hour economy nenim. Government there will only facilitate. Yente your kind.
It is about unleashing productivity, expanding, and now, so what is that? Accelerating exports through well-structured, multi-sectoral, and inclusive interventions. And so we will have national consultation and co-design. The private sector will lead the 24-hour plus program. Government will facilitate and not dominate.
Will come and deal with that also, or say government or can you pay a buying MBN fee acquire for cronies near day now the private sector. Aban will only play a facilitating role. No, we are no Ghana for Mr. Mo. Let's power the 24-hour economy together. We cannot do it alone if Ghanaians you don't get involved. I'm your president. Come along. Omanhene Yaw.
The 24-hour plus program will be the catalyst for Ghana's economic growth, and we are sure that it will make Ghana prosper. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a call to national action. Distinguished guests, a new model of economic development grounded in productivity, powered by the private sector and coordinated by the state is going to be unveiled. Our national strategy includes inclusive growth, export expansion, job creation, and structural transformation. We are under no illusions The path is going to be challenging, but we will succeed.
It was a Ghana for na cabinet at 2 anamombi. Normally, Montoni said all state institutions henceforth will be placed on prepaid meter or into monthly billing and payment with ECG, with only 4 institutions granted exemption. Energy Minister say, Cabinet Ajiatum say all state institutions, with the exception of 4. And the Jubilee House can Parliament they can only. Tie, one more. Obia, you see, ya when you prepaid a monthly billing. I say hospitals, schools, police, and military. So many 4 institutions are also a volatile. Say confirm not a doom cania, schools na a doom cania, military ni police or masia police stations yade. I know man for Jubilee House and County. Jubilee House and go move SM2 Omokakre.
DSTV on my oh, my boy, say I'm so much TV. We used to know more the prepaid cover.
So, on my way, minister, I say, oh, you tell DSTV, ma. I was so many glasses in your frame. Yahweh, me say, sir, glasses, no. Any laptop, ni sa ni mana. Sa license, no. Those nonsense you stop.
Now we cotton tie.
Now we want me a cotton tie, man. I dey check out to atade.
Na so mo twitwa so.
No, omo the CEOs atade. Sa de who cry yes entertainment. Any entertainment.
And drinks now I can drinks be. Say drinks.
Me say one entertainment to Kaboma every month almost 50,000. Yes. 500 million entertainment. Ade wo abundance. Shata all be issue amanwana. Oh yes, so Ghana. Oh that these were for a abrochire for now. Gadgesburg, more embrace. Lord, look at them. One more buy and more buy comfort. Because all abrochire be obenya and no design man. Who a Ghana need better now? What's your money more thing? Now, yes, say, yeah, no, my sasso so she says, I dear man. Oh, sir, a constitutional committee, no. So, man, yeah, Juma Pow. Ghana for the boom. Professor Prempem. Because Prempem. So, man, yeah, Juma Pam to chance him. How can I see you or post 2 losses? No, yeah, Tianica 800 million a month.
Yaboma, gardener.
Nani gardener. The gardener will be the gardener. Only they quantify it in some near their manor. It's police for me, and you say, yeah, this kind of man or no, you tell me direct.
No, the
police service. Oh, that also don't pay also. Now, no, I think 1,000, 2,000 be drivers, no. Obu on my order, government payroll, so you try to all right. And so near Saudi, I bet you say in emolument, no, what gardener, cook, why, not in the year no any. The year one word, honey. Yasha, when you know, do so poor, I acquire so as it does so. Asante doso ye hye nyo de ebia we de nya abrochire de ebia Ghana de ye hye ne doso ai we o say we asante mo wo bi arrange fililo waji di benye o tu for car no akogina ho o say we di be die asante hine wo bi yo di bia he de ba ho kan na ko ye kan ya hye no doso ya say doso de egu Ghana hana ensem hunu adwuma wo so omo ye no nye nti obi nya poster e sika obenya wo ho ntra no policy no strategy ai di baby enti no omo tu sa na mo na sana no so Saudi abetum o say yes Saudi ka 64 billion ina port ye kan de obebo so a kire yes ha gold trading gold bond for a 10 cent omochi wo na sika egu ono mo ne ade 1.4 million Ghana cedis worth of gold and no retu yes abeja fi bo adwuma sika awo je no want ma mo adwuma e be papa usum cause cash aye o we wo ho no na wo ye adwuma so abrante no wo ba ye nyame anim ni wan kasa kwa
yeah.
Why ye de by Juma omo de share ne san was start ye. Same anano nanka agra daade ne ma bi twitwi wo. Wo hu so and they near ye bia. Just recently was it this last month they gave Ghana $800 million.
And Bank of Ghana say we injected $20 million more to the forest. Say but yeah
20 million.
Say I know $20 million this week yeah was say release
now $20 million dipa ba ko betima mo pene up e dey no
mo turn basa first zone
mo turn basa policies ni wo ba ko release 20 last time omo buy no they released $457 million. 457 and on that $10 no ba 10 straight now we have release here 20 million. Say 20 million omo the call auction every week be say week be about 2020 krana on money 50
no mo yen sa
dollar ntimra na dollar e buy jadifo isi ya o isi o
ya o ka say oyifo ka say 1 July meti ne ma so
1 July na ba say 16 July buy no the 1 Ghana cedi ni ba petrol no de ba OMC so omo so the 20 pesos be so just say twamene bo nko na omo di kwen okroma and is a fee mo niyo koso ana chi wo mo. You say I'm told about 6 licensed companies and aban no ahye omo den ama omo tumi to say the cocoa board now gold board about 6 licensed, each has been given about $50 million to purchase gold for the government. Say omo ye no na ekwapa cocoa no ne ade no, and I think it's a good thing. E betimi ama say aban no sa ka dollars na say there we cost so bedroom baby no aban will be liquid enough oh yeah Omanhene Yaw ama 10 billion push na also or pay no the infrastructure and road construction no obetimi anya oh yeah so obekwa IMF e basa Ghana for your home high abosia bona doso too much aban ba say o mche dan kobo abosia ama no ne local bonds near the ano otwa no
condition in the omo de amaye
I said the audio be my said 350 no nya no na akofa ntokwa aba no kojo pon kruma so om ka so om de kotua foka contractors afo om de krata aba ma se be jefia om say for energy and other strategic no say Masadebi you went to cabinet and cabinet approved almost the same bro so 350 million no for contractors ka deputy finance minister no da ko aba wo so media budget ne ba on be hu se shame University of Ghana Hall Week caused COVID-19 spike. Province tells health minister. Also University of Ghana Katanga for no Hall Week no and a fast and your money buy. They say our mark truck cancel all other Hall Week celebrations for now. Mufi say no na they say University of Ghana there say three or more no obia you say no marks omo ADD hop omo turn no marks obia to be now to be say don't use bail condition as indirect punishment. Deputy Minority Leader my part also osre my buy no for bail condition and your punishment. Bail condition should not be I say buy no buy or the bail condition train crofwaso. President Mahama welcomes the Prime Minister of the Republic of India for a 2-day official visit to Ghana. UPSA students sent home for flouting dress code rules. Saturday winner, I dream one mentiase. Say Omashi share Emrama Omu. Na ya fa ayifo. Say from say tax force. University kids no more. They are adults. It is deemed that when you enter the university, you have attained the age of 18, so you are an adult. I feel the moment said trousers in this skirt on Beshe. Hey! You be say why?
Oh my, there's more to that.
Help me.
Oh my, school no, I'm going to my dress code. My so when we say we need dress code now, definitely we be just school. I'm going to my magic. on my lectures no can testify nneɛma ɔmo kum paa wɔ nkora ne bi dress ho paa or better classroom a
the girl ya no ɔtwe jeans na esi ne nase no
on my
anana ne nufu
on my on say we a visual is to the optics wontimi hu nneɛma ne nyinaa and ɔmo kan ya say ebi kura ɔsi try suit as a try bi ɔmo be wɔ on say
just a very provocative
and very unkempt tinya say ebia ɔmo say ne say bi o and memo de we nyina ekono the amendment has some tax for no go die for no kwan.
Yes, look at the way he was pulling the
krana omo we nyam mutu am obi alete no suspension krana we can go to the disciplinary committee of the
invite them but this we are the packed crowd now pulling on.
For me the humiliation was too much, but they were giving the dress code almost 2021 and
na KNUST said dress code wo
yeah,
Christian service ebi no. Tax force wo ha mo hwehwe.
But they will flout it.
Yaw. Me de niam bi wo man niam ehia wo se ehie. Yaw. Me fi say niam ehia university so mo ye nye bi ni nkwara ne ntade ehihye wo mo. Problem o university we bi ni ayi girl yi jeans ehye no. Ene wo boni trinwi te se kare shika gu ni nantini. I don't think the high-headedness with some leaders your institutions is too much.
On my media, me can say,
oh,
Obakono said, "Ye see can you say no dressing be or
I agree with you. A too provocative.
So what's the
a time pa me too
young men e be nyina ye rasta.
Okay. Na yaw time bro so
mo it say me a lecturer na me kire me students ade na young men na eba me class no about 60% 70%.
And just a rasta yaw o ma twa mutiri na sese.
Yes, and I say
and o ma cha na yi ejuni o mu wie school a o mu nya adwuma nye because bank bia ni one ma o ma wo this satri na betra ho
mo so o we are o pay adwuma ye institution be no be fa o say
fa enya rasta crowd that hairstyle the friend hairstyle
what I say sa we
foi ya o yi foi wo mo a trotro ni taxi for the
most of them are doing rasta
side tv no
so I said no na
see footballers in the chance one footballers o mutiri mo tantan ni ma tantan o mo de ni na mo ba o hu abrochire eti abrofo yi a mo bobo ye hu o mo omo hairstyle omo de bobo nye decent omo kura so ni boche
oh and the empa
enso ye wo de che Ghana ni okoduru onum a ontimi twitwa sa tiri tantan ni bi hwe kudus oye ni tiri wo kama pate mu nyina ba ye ne wa no bokotoko kakra bi ko hwe de wa ye ni tiri wo bi tantan no de na mo
so boy so money papa
money papa bi akoya house player bi no wa ye ni tiri wo bi na ni muso mo twa so mo nyaade
until my
wo mutiri nyi here o mo chen ball no
lectures na hu nema because
asante me no ya adwene but the issue of tax force
to
deal with them o mo twem
it's too extreme hwe enkra bi betima shati ade pa o mo nche pant o be tratra ho na
on the o mo ye pa
o mo teacher for isa ya bo ma o mo teacher for
na wa sa so atena ni mu no asa ba ni na mu say
teacher ade che pa no amania
teacher mi ani na kire
oh yeah, I'm so bad
for dear me.
Oh yeah, over
lecturers.
And one so the one to be no question or no we will.
So I didn't
know. Okay, that's just on a lighter note. 24-hour economy. Yeah, mami too.
I got 24-hour economy. Maybe President John Dramani Mahama. Baby a year drew. Send no answer about reset Ghana. I got a yet long talk and yet kasa me. Why kasa bebre ne bebre akota action hwe yete hey Sompa TV ne Sompa FM ye run 24-hour ade
program
President Mahama ne beka che say run 24 hours there be ya ye sha demand ne wo ho even an adjo 12 aso for to airtime or Sompa FM ne Sompa TV so e bompa ye ehie sika de ma company no until you keep our lights on ye be keep your generators on sebe ya sa service no ebe koso yes President Mahama enti mean sorry e me kan kire Ghana for na so onforce Ghana for de ye nie ene de ye nto but akonta ye onema bi wonu ma President Mahama e wo control over so ebia ne say na no enra colleges of education asemo amekokan ya man yi pam ya bomi say President Mahama Masika eme de call colleges of educations ni mu eme ye to aduane e di feed enkwala na konta meboa I say omo so omo feed omo once na omo feed no akote yeti kroma say ne yesi Ghana for yenya nipa bebre amomu dua mo ama beke ane e wo so ame man bi by studio is it dead
rice
omo ye no aguna ye kwan so omo be display sa ne ma ne nyina akota se nipa no a obe display sa de na why factory na oil local rice no akonta ya nto a nyo na beka chense onko run 24 hours you say demand no wo ho say President Mahama direct say all colleges of education omo beto e de amankwala na die no they should buy from Abia local producers. Secondary schools omo beto e de feeding kwala na nyina they should buy from
say
local
to
producers.
Jimmy say dey Ghana made
akwala ni be dia developers artists ni ma wan we ya odu fi obeka che ni ma me say ye no bi emu bi ma ye osu e ma panti to be my na gradually
Nigeria did it
developing
COVID season.
Yes.
Buhari close to border for 6 months. So me fa BRI ni wo Ghana ha.
From
and Professor bi no ko kire wo mo rice growing now. Eko we are you know after 6 months Nigeria and their major exports are na import and rice no are cut by half.
It akota enye kasa
can do it.
De ni hwan na private sector na ebe lead government na ebe hwan incentives. President Mahama de owo control also say government institutions no for creating market ema omo ma bia industries ne factories ne sa ne ma no and akota say demand wo ho a wona obeka che Boris B say enkoko no onya ompe enkola ni bi nka ho na omo enya adwuma najo say Boris B nkoko say KNUST one friends secondary schools ni
nyina no e feel like COVID Boris B supply nkoko enkola ni be wie
akota obi na beka che Boris B say onya adwuma 24 hours ofani panka obefani pani bia mama ye man ya o ya anwa wo friends Vesta oil akota say President Mahama directed say all secondary schools
should
all
use Vesta oil
education Ghana prison service prisoners e biane amobe no amomo no mo resa mo beto locally
government hospitals
ndiane
amobe ye so mo ye ndiane ma o
Vesta oil papa ya akota obi na be ka che Vesta oil say on sorry on fani panka ho na onye yen papa koku otemo ne burukutumu ne ade when the market is there akota enyo obi na be say o mo say na no President Mahama de ade aba say ye be che sanitary pad e de ama enkwala was JSS in secondary school
blessing sanitary pad papa no this
blessing ni achabaru any years so say to omo down say years ye every na course pad na ye be chairman kwala o schools no una produce na blessing achabaru una produce akota obi na be ka kire omo say omo fani pani bi ka wa uni akwa be make sure say dey be o demand no enti obey increase it obi nkan che ne say onye adwuma na dwonka ho because o produce marketing is readily available omo eto ade na dia man
so there comes the government facilitating power it's not say so also be facilitating but wo kase more money nye kasa too much it should be a caveat and policy and direction and branding the same here
yati bia one bebre basa but in the end one district one factory among 4 year factories no be we are see na niam no produce no there's no market and yati kroma say ni yesu say ATL GTP one egu but akunta yati kroma say ye ma no mo secondary schools no omo share school uniform o it is our school uniforms no GTP ni ATL for omo ntimi nyama ye ometimi aye omo ye wia bia ye ne district base ye mpe tailor for no mo mpama de no when ye mfa nkoma ba akufo bia ma na mfa nko China anko twa sa ne ma na ma akuta mami owo asko ye friend say Uni J see e mani bi se ompam se bia e ka Prempeh College Opokuware cars and about 10 secondary schools abom say ompama akuta wo bekaya
that was
that time Satamani a secondary school a rabna no wo esuebu akwemu na opa
whole factory
yes
khaki
shorts any top any
school uniform go to the rabna
ya to the din and the din to so a rabna akuta baby a ye kono say ye anya ntum say ye be build ye so so ye nkrofo a krona be say ya o be kasa ne ye ko China ne fanfare ne ye bie ne fe na fe ewiase ani ehu emfaso bi a ede breye.
I think it's a very positive thing. Asante
edoso
ebia na idea ya okay ebia na last week na nurses for can say uniform me ya ban a me mfa nkoma nurse panimu bia local for ebit mapam nurse for ntade amon all that you do and say obenya material ne bia wakofre from no ne because bia
GTP ne etia for
GTP o
material ya omunye na nurse bia fe badu bia January bia de watade amon nye ne be ye issue
ama mienu
na o de ahye police for obi aye and idea ni nyane say importation na kill economy.
That's it.
The more you import, you are providing job for people from
outside your domain.
And adwuma bi anka ye bia bi wo ha nka be ye wa ha no. Ye fa lupre akwa abrochire akwa ye say adwuma no amana ne ye de free ho abra Ghana. Empabo bibia na me ya meka na say ye tie say o man. What makes a Ghanaian? Bibia je say Ghana fo.
Eh tade
ade ye share bibia mpabo a hye ye
ni aye mi ye mi ensa ye te yi.
What you say Ghana?
Yaw. Eye utrinwi
ene ukasa wo kan
ene chi aye kan no bi
de watch matade mi pieto ehye me empaboa
o socks
glasses
so the person no cry events disincentive to provision of jobs
the okay akota obekan ya obu be factory bi wa tonsu as a shoe factory say
o producer yi ma military
ya ma police for
military o politics
reasons o na ebe ye shoe e dia ma wo mo on say factory na gu ye the contract na mo bi mo ko free China any one
because
police for
party ni buy no odwene ni nipa ono benya sika sponsor party no than industry no.
Yes,
that is our problem.
Yes,
jute factory you buy Omanhene Yaw buy yes say Omanhene Yaw be revamp jute factory e wi ase na sabio Ghana ha Omanhene Yaw hu ni papa na crack jute.
Yes,
and they know what I'm saying. I'm not lying. Yeah, and this sack no e be a big business.
Yeah,
me modi but they know bottle and until make my head ha
20 asante ntimi maybe ya bedru
ba no na kra
bottle no de
modi nyasika say
time factory no in 1960s nya na kwame nkamu ekra jute no free Pakistan.
Okay, kwame beba
now senke nya local
edabio okra jute na omo ye no
that time no mabe no
say omo ye wa ha no ma na say eye semi kra no
a ali the solution of
ye di Nissan say sia omo crap pass no omo share wa. You know people are getting jobs.
Yes.
Local engineers are getting Toyota here.
VW.
Sinotrack here. They are doing, and a lot of people are doing it. It's just something we can do it. But the will is not there because a certain aparachiki also needs to eat.
Company na from say new plan no enye sa dana na nim da say omo dia desrede ekoto aban nim say buses na aban echema secondary schools omo betima ye and sa new plan buses na dia den omo dia no kra echechen sa
India ne
ho ahwan no omo kofa ba nti aban na
enabling environment
the enabling environment
no omo nyema
bantima haya bantima haya new plan no munya buses no
education minister bekra 150 buses ni chobo
ye beche bia ma police ye beche bia ma soldier ye beche bia ma Ghana armed forces ni prisons ba ni nyina yete ho
Burkina Faso for
factory ni say
education board bekra obi abenya ni chobo
Burkina Faso for all these years no omo embassy na Accra gidigidi o
yes
omo dia bekuma because of mezi no
yes
omu sua ne ma bebrebe e free mu a omu sua ka yes ani ma na
abrante no in the next 5 years
you know agudie
the obey Burkina Faso
oh yeah
oman na oman penye mama asabna na woka say ebe private participation led no
faka crasos na abrante na
for that voter whatever is saying no and it will be capital intensive. On that score, no, how do you urge a private person to take that initiative? The government now had that and because, like you were saying, say a chroma vision over the years, you know. So that one becomes capital intensive. So what I say, and now there's a nipple in you won't even say change na.
But he says they are going to irrigate 2 million hectares.
For that one, it becomes the state.
That is the government facilitating. So he's not wrong.
Oh,
he will create the environment.
The say, yeah, now on say, I am buying never to start that wells. This animal. Until in that case, no, and you're private.
Okay.
On say private. Now I say, be private. On a private person, no. I didn't know say be a long term, short term, or whatever.
The return on investment.
And when there, and you know, me can say almost on my draft, like almost the criteria to so I show nema. Parliament, not parliament. I just too na bayemra. So ebasana, like you were saying on say safa wealthy. On my side, account happens. I mean, manage your own power because the last time I almost say about $40,000. A bit my very fully funded irrigation system. I don't poor people in the north and must have south. My you may be a 7 for Sony Sunia. Okay. I'm more explaining ye. Now, man for Antiasi.
That's right. I was your for ye Peja Muna, a year Orlando, any ember, Ade Akye who said we are to the tip off. Ye bar, ye near be your force better. And then for the first time, my man, PV Jantua is visiting me here. And a red carpet.
Hey, when the record. Treatment.
Special treatment. PV is coming.
And a cook to a young woman say, yeah,
the tip off for them.